Welcome to qnawire.
The rectangular or Cartesian representation of vector, say f, is obtained as multiplying its magnitude by the unit vector. So we will learn in this problem how to find the rectangular representation for the force F, which magnitude is 120 pounds and oriented in the given figure. So first is that let us find the unit vector. To find the unit vector, let's obtain the position vector for the force. So that position vector, let's represent with R. So notice that we are given here with the dimensions 15 feet is for the Y, 18 feet is for the X, and 25 feet is for the Z. So if we draw the Cartesian plane right here, we note that your X is positive 18 because it's directed towards the positive X. So by the way, positive X, positive Y, and positive Z. So X is positive X, or X is positive 18, Y is uh, negative 15. Why it is negative? Because you notice that F here is directed in the negative Y direction. So if since we are uh, translating the axis here, so positive Z, positive Y, and then this is negative Y. So you see here that your force F is in the negative Y direction. And finally, for your Z, that's also negative 25. It's negative again because your vector F is in the negative Z direction. Okay, so how do we write that in position vector form? Well, we will have it as xi hat plus yj hat plus uh, zk hat, where I as j and k hats represent the directions. So x value is 18, y value is 15 or negative 15, and then z value is negative 25. So this is the position vector r. To, let's now get the magnitude of the position vector r. So we do that by simply squaring each of the components here and then adding them up. And then after we add them up, we take the square root. So it's like this. Solving this gives us 34.3. Next, the unit vector. So unit vector will be obtained by doing the ratio of the vector by its own magnitude. So it's like 18 I hat minus 15 j hat minus 25 k hat divided by 34.3, where that's going to be 18 divided by 34.3, 15 divided by 34.3, and 25 over 34.3. So solving this gives us the unit vector as follows: 0.525 and then minus 0.438 and then 0.730. And then finally, we'll get the Cartesian or rectangular representation of vector f. So again, from here, we just need to multiply the magnitude by the unit vector. So magnitude is 120. So we get 120, then multiplied by the unit vector. So all we need to do is just to distribute 120 to each of these components of the unit vector. So like 120 times 0.525, that's going to be equal to 63.0 I hat, and then for 0.438 times 120, that's 52.5, and then finally we have 0.73 times 120, that's 87.6. So I hope everything is clear.